So here we go. We are introducing the birds to their new home. This is after we are done spreading feed on the floor. Welcome home, day old shakes. You are welcome to your new coop. We are going to make sure to give you guys the very best treatment here to ensure you grow to your full potential. If you are expecting day old shakes, look at what you must do for the first day. Be sure to get your sawdust. Once your sawdust is in place, get your newspaper. Why is newspaper and sawdust very important in the life of your day old chicks? They serve as the first line of defense, especially the sawdust. The sawdust serves as the first line of defense from the cold. You know, the very first stage of brooding requires your birds to stay warm for 2 weeks. Now, the sawdust helps make that possible, and with the newspaper on top the sawdust, it gives the birds more warmth, and the newspaper absorbs their poop, which makes it easy to clean and makes the coop uh, more effective for them and more livable. So do well, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.